Locate the engine oil dipstick and pull it out. Clean it with a clean cloth, then reinsert it fully. Pull the dipstick out again and check the level. To get an accurate reading, make sure that your vehicle is parked on level ground.
We're going to look at several different dipsticks so you get a good understanding of where the minimum and the maximum are on different dipsticks. Right here we have the maximum and the minimum marks. On this dipstick right here would be the minimum, and that's the maximum mark. Right here is the minimum, and that's the maximum on this particular dipstick. And this last dipstick that we have is a little bit tricky. You need to be in the area that says safe. So basically that's minimum and that's maximum right there.